618 dB. Installation operation. Introductio.
Machine received has the following accessories list. We install plastic heads. Tighten the diagonal nut. Long on top, short on the bottom. Installation completed. Pour clean water to wash. Turn on the power, press the cleaning key.
Wash for 3 to 5 minutes. Pour out the water.
Pour the mixed ingredients.
Stir for about 1 minute to clean.
Press once to turn on the cooling function. Second lower middle point, open the air pump.
Wait about 15 minutes.
When the percentage reaches 100%, you make ice cream.
Wash the machine.
Press the clean button. Pour out the residual raw materials. Pour clean water to wash. Pour out the water, wash several times until clean.